The Indus Water Treaty, brokered by the World Bank, is a water-sharing agreement between India and Pakistan concerning the Indus River system. It divides the 6 rivers of the system, with India controlling the eastern rivers, Ravi, Satluj, and Beas, and Pakistan controlling the western rivers, Indus, Jhelum, and Chenab. India can use the eastern rivers for its own purposes, while Pakistan has unrestricted access to the western rivers. The treaty also includes mechanisms for dispute resolution and water data exchange between the two countries. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Key provisions. 1. River allocation. India is granted exclusive rights to the waters of the eastern rivers, Ravi, Satluj, Beas, while Pakistan is allocated the western rivers, Indus, Jhelum, Chenab. 2. India's use of western rivers. India can use the western rivers for non-consumptive purposes like hydroelectric power generation, navigation, and domestic needs. 3. Pakistan's use of eastern rivers. Pakistan can use the water delivered by India from the eastern rivers, and India is restricted from using these waters. 4. Dispute resolution. The treaty establishes a permanent Indus Commission to handle questions and disputes. 5. Data exchange. India and Pakistan are obligated to exchange water data and collaborate on water management. And 6. World Bank's role. The World Bank is a signatory to the treaty and acts as a neutral facilitator in dispute resolution. Significance. The treaty is considered a significant success in international water management, as it has allowed both countries to utilize the Indus River system for irrigation and power generation despite ongoing tensions. It demonstrates the importance of water diplomacy and international cooperation in resolving disputes over shared resources. Recent developments. Following the Uri and Pulwama attacks, India has raised concerns about the treaty and its implementation. In April 2025, India announced it would hold the treaty in abeyance due to a terrorist attack in Jammu and Kashmir, raising concerns about its future.